Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Mazda 6. Stock number is A7012. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the trunk now. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda 6 on holidayautomotive.com. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today, like I said, so you can see them online at holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.